Okay, so today we're going to learn about equivalent fractions. So for this, you should know the first thing, which is numerator and the denominator. So the number in a fraction, the number on the top is numerator and the number on the bottom is denominator. For example, like 5 by 6. Can you tell me which one is the numerator?
The numerator? The numerator
Yeah.
is 5.
And which one is the denominator?
6.
Very good. Now let's move toward equivalent fractions because this is a simple fraction. 5 by 6 is a fraction. The term equivalent means of equal value. And you can find equivalent fraction by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So here if you see this fraction, the numerator is 5, you have to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So it's going to be like this. You have to multiply, you have to choose any number, like it's going to be 2, 5, 6, any number, but it should be same as the denominator. So we're going to write 2 here as well as we're going to write 2 in the denominator. What will be the answer for this fraction? Can you tell me?
So 5 times 2, 10.
Very good.
And
And
then 6 times 2, 12.
very good. Okay, so it means 10 by 12 is the equivalent fraction of 5 by 6. Do you understand?
Mm.
Yeah. Okay. For example, there's another 2 by 4. Can you tell me what will be the equivalent fraction of this and how we're going to find it? This is your
2
fraction.
by 4.
What will be? Mm-hmm.
Then you can put any number.
Okay. First of all, what should I put? Before number, there is something to put.
Oh. You put the multiplication sign.
Very good. And now what number you want me to put?
5.
I'm going to write 5 here and 5 in that denominator, right? Do you agree?
Yes.
What will be the answer?
The the answer is 5 times 2 equals 12. Equals 10, sorry.
Yes, and then?
And then you do 4 times 5. That equals 20.
Very good.
Mm.
Now let's do this equivalent fractions by the real life example, like how we gonna write these equivalent fractions. For example, you have this pizza, okay? When you're gonna divide into 2, the fraction will be 1 by 2. It means this 2 is symbolizes there are total 2 separations and you are dealing with the 1. Like you are having 1 only and you put the other one aside. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And now there's another, okay. And the equivalent fraction for this 1 by 2 is 2 by 4. When you multiply numerator and denominator by 2, the answer gonna be equals to 2 by 4. So now if you see that already we are having that piece, we have divided into 2, right? That's how we get this one. And total, can you tell me that how the total is 4 here?
Because 2 times 2 is 4?
Yeah, because 2 times here 2 and here the 2, it will be equals to 2 plus 2 equals 4. So it means there are total 4 and you are only taking 2. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move toward the next one. Again, they are making only this one, the half. They are
Mm-hmm.
dividing the half into 3 slices,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
And this will be equals to 3, which you are going to take, and total is 6 because 3 on this side and 3 on this side.
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand? before we were doing like multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number, and we were getting the other number which we were naming as the another fraction which we were naming as equivalent fraction, right?
Mm-hmm.
For example, equivalent fraction for 1 by 2 is 2 by 4. Now there's one more thing in the equivalent fraction, like you can also find equivalent fractions if you can divide the numerator and denominator by the same number. When you divide the numerator and denominator by the same number, the fraction you're gonna get after that will also be a equivalent fraction. For example, you have 4 by 8 and you divide the numerator is 4, so and you divide the numerator by 2 as well as the denominator by 2. What will be the answer? 4 divided by 2 equals what?
That would equal 8.
4 divided by 2. Divide by 2,
Oh,
not
2.
multiply. Yeah.
2.
And 8 divided by 2 is equals to
4.
4. Right? It means 2 by 4 is also the equivalent fraction, like this. So 2 by 4 is the equivalent fraction of 4 by 8. So we have learned two things, that when we multiply by the same numerator and denominator, it will be the equivalent fraction, and also when we divide by the same number, like the numerator and denominator are divided by same number, that's also gonna be the equivalent fraction. Do you understand or not?
I understand. Because
Okay.
4 divided by 2 equals 2, right? And then 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So that's also a equivalent fraction, right?
Very good. And now when we're gonna practice few questions, you're gonna learn more. Okay, for example, can you tell me that what's the answer here? What are you gonna write in the box?
You're gonna write 5.
5. Very good. And what about B?
B?
Yeah. And the second question, what are you gonna write?
You're gonna write 4.
4. Why?
Wait.
Okay, let me tell you the steps you do while doing these questions. So first of all, you have to focus on the number which is already given. Denominator is already given, right?
Uh-huh.
Now you have to check that how you're gonna get 32. Like with what number you will multiply 8 and you get 32.
4.
Very good. So 8 times 4 equals 32. And equivalent fraction is the number you are multiplying in the denominator. You have also multiply it in the numerator. So what's the answer for 5 times 4?
5 times 4 is
Yeah.
20.
Very good. So it means 20 will be the answer. Do you understand that how we get 20?
Oh, I get it now.
Very good. So now we have an other question. This one, what's the answer for this?
The answer?
Yeah.
25?
25 or 45? The answer
Oh, it's
gonna
45.
be 25. How? Okay, can you tell me that how we get 15? By multiplying with number. Which number?
5.
Oh, 5 times 5 equals 15?
No, 25.
How we gonna get 15? By which number we multiply 5 and we get 15?
5 times 3.
Yeah, so we're gonna write 3 here, multiply by 3. And we already know the rule for equivalent fraction, that the number we are multiplying the numerator will also be multiplied in the denominator. So the answer gonna be 9 times 3 equals 27. Do you understand or not?
I understand.
Yeah, when we're gonna practice more, you're gonna understand more. Like that's how we are doing it. Like you were already having 5 by 9. When you multiply the numerator and your denominator by 3, you. Okay, so now we're gonna deal with simplification of the fractions. For example, you are having 6 divided by 8. Now you have to choose any number, like not any number, the biggest number by which you can divide like 6 as well as 8. Is there any number where it comes 6 as well as 8?
1.
1, except 1.
Except 1.
Yeah, where it comes
4 and
like
2.
very good. So if we divide this 6 by 4 and 6 by, wait, 6 by 4 and 8 by 4, can we do it?
Okay.
Like we can't divide 6 divided by 4, like we not gonna get the exact answer, right?
Yeah.
So it means
There's
we
gonna
should
be some
choose.
remainders.
Yeah, so we have to choose the number in which we are not getting any remainder. So it's gonna be 2, right? So when we divide it with 2, we're gonna get no remainder. So the answer gonna be is equals to 6 divided by 2. What's the answer?
12.
6 divided by 2.
6 divided, 6 divided by 2 equals 3, right?
Yeah, and what's the answer for 8 divided by 2?
4.
Very good. Now, can you tell me, is there any number where it comes 3 as well as 4? Is
3
there any
as well
number?
as 4. 1 and 1 and 2.
Okay, so you think that on 2 times table it comes 3 as well as 4. We can't get 3 in 2 times table, okay? So it means there is no further division of this because there is no number except 1 where the 3 and 4 comes together in that multiples table. There is no number where they come together. The way 6 and 8 were coming in the 2 times table. So it means 3 by 4 is the simplified fraction. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's do more questions. You're gonna understand more.
Mm-hmm.
So we have 9 divided by 5. Can you tell me any number, like except 1, on which this 9 and 15 are divisible? Like on which times table it comes 9 as well as 15?
3 and 5.
Very good. So in 5 times table, do we get 9?
No.
So we can't choose it. So we have only one number left, which is 3,
Yeah.
right?
Mm.
So we're gonna divide it with 3, numerator as well as denominator with the 3. Do you understand?
Mm-hmm.
What's the answer for 9 divided by 3?
9 divided by 3 equals 3. And then 5 divided by 3 equals 5.
9 divided by 3 equals 3 and 15 divided by 3 is equals to
5.
5. So now I have one more question, which is, can you further divide this 3 by 4? Is there any number where it comes 3 and 4? Is there any multiples table where we get 3 and 4 except 1?
No.
Very
No.
good. It means 3 by 4 is our simplified form. Do you understand?
Yes.
Very good. Now you have to solve this question. Tell me that how you're gonna solve this one. Tell me.
Uh, so 1 times 2 is 2. So 2 times 2 is going to be 4.
Yeah, and what will be here? How are you gonna solve this one?
So 2 times 3 is 6. So 1 times 3 is going to be 3.
Very good. So it means you're gonna. Hmm.
One
What's gonna
one
happen next?
times one times 8 is going to be 8, right?
Very good.
And then 2 times 8 is going to be 16.
Very good. And how are you gonna do next one?
This one, so 2 times 10 is 20, and so 1 times 10 is going to be 10.
Very good. What's next?
What makes 2 and 150?
For this, you should divide like 150.
Oh yeah, I can divide. Wait, I can divide.
Okay, hurry up.
Is it 75?
Very good. It means 2 times 75 equals 150, right?
Yes, 75.
So what will be in the numerator?
It would be 75 because 1 times 75 is 75.
Very good. Now, this part is your homework. Write this as your homework. Hurry up.
Okay. You have to go eat your breakfast.